Every time I watch, you make me feel a heat. Don't need to touch. Oh, now come my eyes on you now, and me now go miss a beat. One time. Volcano, you're up under ocean. Your tongue still big jack in a motion. Fireman carriage because your heat too high. Dry up the earth and you make clouds cry.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Empress D. It's nice to have you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, hi guys, I'm back with another one, a very simple one actually, but I am back with another one, and I really like this look. It's simple, but I love it. In real life, my face is beat, but in camera it's beat. My lighting sucks.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
I know it's been a while. I know my posting have been sketchy, but I am on holiday, okay? So I took some time off to visit the family and that. So we are off for 3 weeks. This is the first time I'm actually like filming. I did walk with like a mini ring light to film while I was here, but obviously I'm on holiday and it doesn't really work out how I want it to work out. So anyways, this is why I'm filming. I went out today. I wanted to do this red look before I went out, but obviously like black people, I was running late, didn't have time to do makeup and that. So I thought, let me film a look when I come back. This is pretty much what I would have done had I had time to prepare to go out, but I didn't. So yeah, this is the look that we are doing today. Very simple red look, no cut creases and a wing liner. So like anyone can do this. Just watch the steps, follow the steps, and you can do this, okay? You can do it, girl. I believe in you. Right, you guys, so as usual, we are starting with one eye completed, and we are going to replicate this eye over here. I'm just showing you guys like that blend. She's blended, okay? Period. She is blended. So as usual, I am starting with my brows completed, and I went in with the saffron dark brown pencil. I know it is tiny, but I promise you guys, I have a lot more pencils going on now, okay? And I also topped it up a little bit with the Wet n Wild black eyeliner. This is not like a brow pencil, but it still works the same if you ask me. So, and I cleaned it up with my normal thing, which is my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. So that is it completed for the brows. Now over here, I do have Toffee like right here, but I'm going to go in with the P. Louise Base Zero on my lid. So I'm just gonna dab like the base on my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out. Right, okay, and no matter where in the world we are, you know we represent the Caribbean, okay? So here is our girl, and I am literally going to start in Paradise over here, then Rum Punch, then Shandy, okay? To apply transition shades and like to blend like a huge amount of eyeshadow, you should always go for the fluffiest brush, okay? So although this one is the BH Cosmetics 101, I might use something like this. Well, I will use this one on the orange, but it's not branded, but it works like the same. Okay, and that's me done with the yellow. Although the color isn't really showing up as vibrant, on camera. In real life, this yellow is popping. Okay, right, so next we're going to go into rum punch right here, and we're going to put rum punch in our crease. Right, so after I've laid this orange on, I try to go in with small circular motions with little or no product on the brush and just kind of blend the edges out a little bit. And then I'm going to go back in with the yellow and do the same thing, like right where the orange stops and the yellow starts. So we're gonna have to go back in with our crease color, which is the orange, and we're just gonna have to deepen that back up a bit before applying red shade on, which is Shandy. Right, so now we're going to dip into Shandy, and what we're going to do with Shandy is we're just going to build it up on our lid, and then we're going to use the orange to blend it out. Right, so we laid the red on, and as you can see, the orange is kind of like non-existent. I'm going to go back in with the orange, which is rum punch, and we're going to try and blend out the red. Okay, and I'm going to use small circular motions or swift swiping motions. And I am just literally blending where the red and yellow slightly bit of orange meets. So that's the part that we're blending out with the orange. So now that that is blended, we are going to go back in with the red, which is Shandy, and we're just going to just put that back over the lid. Simple, quick, easy. Right, so I'm going to add my inner corner color only because I struggled a bit over here to get it on. Like, it went all over my ring liner, obviously. So I'm just going to use my finger right here, and I am going to just do that, and then I'm just going to pop it in my inner corner. Just like so. Right, so just to follow what it is that I did over here, I went in with my MAC. This is like very old. It's probably like expired how old it is. But I'm going in with my MAC gel eyeliner. I'm going to line my eyes, and then I'm going to go back over it with the NYX Vinyle liner. This one. Then I've just got a little bit of concealer on my hand. This is the same concealer that I use to conceal my brows. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Toffee. Yeah, and then you just blend that out, and you are finished. Yeah, like my face looked oily and my skin looked terrible. I need a new facial routine. I need a new skin routine. Not even new, because I don't really have one. I just need one. So if you guys can recommend like a brand that I can buy all the lines from, then I'm into doing that. I mean, at the moment I'm buying this, that, and the other, just to see if anything will work, anything will help me at all. But if you guys know that there's something for like oily skin, because I have like really oily skin, then please let me know. Something to remove like the spots in my face, as well as help with pores, like pore minimizing. I know exfoliants are probably the best. I exfoliate once a week, but I probably need to do that twice a week, and I haven't exfoliated at all since I've been in the UK. So yeah, the skin is looking terrible, y'all. Terrible. This is Beauty Freak lashes. I love these lashes, and I love the packaging. Like, this is Ankara fabric. Like, well, it's not fabric, but look at the design of the box. Like, I would never throw away this packaging. There's a few things that I have that I would always keep in the packaging, and this is one of them. Right, so I have a like extremely short curly lashes. So my lashes, they grow, and instead of growing straight and then have like a little curve, a little bend, they grow, and they literally just grow like that. So they grow and curl right back in. So it's always a problem for me to put on lashes. It's always a struggle. So I start with like a clear mascara, and I have found what works is a heated lash curler, but I am on holiday and I didn't bring mine with me, so this is going to be a struggle, y'all. What would normally happen, which is why I can't do foundation first, is I would do that, and then you would see here like it starts to come down, and I would literally just press that down as much as I can press it down. Like, I look at my lashes and I still know that they're still curled up, but at this point, like, there isn't anything that I can do about that. So I go in and I try to angle my lash, and then I adjust to fit. Do you know what else I also forgot? My big tweezers that I normally use to join to press up my lashes against the falsies. So I'm just gonna have to use a normal tweezer, which I do use sometimes. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So what I normally do is I use the black liquid liner and I just go on top of the band just so that it blends in and it's not really standing out so much. So when you take pictures you don't see that shiny strip. That's what I do. I'm gonna do the other one off camera though. Sorry. If my skin was lit, I would have been hot, but my skin is not. So gotta finish this look, y'all. Gotta finish it. Right, so we're gonna dig back into the Color Me Caribbean palette, and we're just going to use this blue right here, which is Island Gem. You would think that I know these colors by heart, the amount of time that I have used this palette, but I do not. I'll be hitting pan soon. Watch, you guys will see. And let's just finish this face, y'all. Right guys, so I am done and this is it. Like, hello? Yes. It's like the simplest of eye looks. Like, it's blended. It's blended, y'all. Like, it's blended. This is the look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think. Bye guys. I'll catch you guys in my next one.